Hello, Dolphins, and welcome to DPTV. We have Miss Gloria again. Yay! And we are coming at you. It's Friday, and what do we do on Fridays? We wear blue. Miss Gloria forgot. It's okay. We're going to grab a t-shirt. No big deal. So I just wanted to run through a few things for you guys. Hold on. Let me share the screen. All right. As we do always every morning, and I hope you guys are doing this in class as well, as we do the Pledge Allegiance. So right now, if everyone could stand, right hand over your heart, ready, salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you, Miss Gloria. Okay, some announcements. I just want to let everyone know leadership forms are now due. Okay, so your teachers, and this is for grades 4, 5, and 6. Remember, grades 4, 5, and 6. Your teacher should have sent you a link if you're interested in leadership. Fill that out, email it back to your teacher, or you can send it to me. Also, we have hard copies here in the office. If you want to come down to the office, we can get you one to fill out. Very important. I really want to have leadership going because, friends, we will come back face to face, and we want to be able to just get leadership right off and going. Also, if you get those forms filled out and to me, you can co-host with me and Miss Gloria. We'll get you in on the Zoom call, and all of us can be together doing DPTV. So super fun. The other thing too is wear blue on Fridays and you get extra hero points. That's awesome. And with Hero, you can spend your points in the store. It spends just like cash. If you have 10 points, you can buy something for $10. And Dolphin Cove pickup is Fridays, 11:30 to 12:30. If you got an email saying your order is ready, your parents may have got one, you may have got one, you can come on Fridays between 11:30 and 12:30. If you've not gotten an email, don't come this Friday. That means we haven't filled your order yet. Let's see, I think that's all we have. Oh, really important, in Hero, please, please, please use the school's address, 2300 Don Pedro Road, as the shipping address. Now, I know Miss Gloria has some things to talk to you guys about.
So friends, Miss Gloria has created a Google Classroom. Add me. Your teachers have the access code. Google Classroom, you engage on there, comment on there. I'll have fun trivia questions, fun activities where you'll be able to comment on there, watch videos and all that great stuff. Well, if I see your engagement on Google Classroom, I see you commenting, I check it every day, you will have a chance to earn hero points as well. Especially when I post fun trivia questions. Nothing to do at home. It's not actually homework. It's just fun stuff so that we can engage. We can get to know each other more for our new Dolphins too. And so that way, in the future, when we come back, we'll have some engagement. We'll know each other. Well, at least we'll have names that way. And hero points. I'll have fun activities where you guys will be able to earn hero points. So add me as teacher for your code for Google Classroom code.
Awesome. So I will also be better at that too. I know I've kind of not done it in a few weeks, so I will make that commitment to everybody that I will start being on Google Classroom more as well. Let's do some birthdays. I have a fun song. Hold on, let's see. We'll get the song going and Miss Gloria can talk after the song.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay. Perfect. So we have Aiden B, Ricardo M, Daisy A, Dayra B, Renee L, Christian C, Melanie B. Happy birthday to you guys. I hope you guys have an awesome
birthday. Happy birthday. Let's see here. Let's get back to the screen. And as always, we're going to end this with a little movement. This is a song we've never done before.
Oh.
So it's kind of fun. I was watching it and I found it and I thought this is going to be super fun for you guys. Remember, we're sitting a lot now that we're at home doing distance learning. We just seem to be sitting. We're not getting out there and doing our exercise. So please, friends, get up and let's move. Let's see this one. This should be fun.
Excited.
Jack Cartwheel.
All right.
Kids Music Channel.
You gotta do it with us, guys.
Do this.
Okay.
I like to put both arms up in the air. I like to sway back and forth over here and there. I like to jam, jam, jam all around. I like to get up to get down. I like to twist with my friends as the music grooves. I like to feel the beat, make my body move. I like to jam, jam, jam all around. I like to get up to get down.
Here comes the fun part.
Everybody get in a dancing line, all together in time.
To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Roll it down, roll it down, roll it down, roll it down. Crisscross, 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 crisscross. Raise the roof, raise the roof, raise the roof, raise the roof. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Shake it down, shake it down, shake it down, shake it down. Bring it up, bring it up, bring it up. I like to put both arms up in the air. I
All
like
right.
That was awesome.
That was
Mitchell. I love
fun,
it.
right? So we are gonna stop sharing that. We're gonna end this like we always end. What are we gonna do today?
Fly
Fly high
high with dolphin pride.
You guys have a great day.
Enjoy your weekend.